And I was like, really? Based on what? I mean, half of my time, that sounds great. But for $90 a month, come on, come on, come on. I'm not from yesterday. And the second one was just like, get your LinkedIn in order 80% faster or something like that, right? And this sounds like still so generic, even though it is very, very, very closely connected to the benefits. What I'm missing here are two additional layers. So first one is solid proof that something is true. If you are like in enterprise AI, please case studies. Case studies are through the charts. And the second way, how I love to think about this, is just like as you are producing, like, can I believe you? Yes, I can think. Then the other thing is like really making the user understand how will it impact in their workflows, right? So will it work for me? Can I relate with this? Then you can play with relatable case studies. And just like from positioning point, but so per se, I don't necessarily care as much about what we are using for positioning. I care about conversion. So whenever you don't know, you just like test a couple of different versions of this in your ad, in your outreach, and see what happens. I mean, for God knows, my first positioning for the book, for the go-to-market strategies, was from overwhelm to hyper-focus, because I thought that it brilliantly captured the mindset of my founder who would like to be more focused. Little did I know that that would produce negative ROI when I was advertising and trying to scale my digital funnel. So the only like positioning that works well for me now is literally from strategy to profit, achieve profitable traction in X amount of time. And this promise needs to be backed up with evidence. Hope that that wraps up the answer towards this question, but I'm not like perfectly aligned with any single school of positioning. Like, but the winning positioning is the one that works. How do you know that it is going to work? If you know your ICP inside out and when you run some tests.